Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and today we're going to be revamping my desk area. Up until this point, I've pretty much just been using my desk as a place to put things. I have a monitor and a PlayStation 5 connected here, but I never really use this area. Like, I've used it to watch like 1 or 2 movies, and then I will play Marvel Rivals, and that's about the extent of the activities that I do on this desk. As you can see, they are quite literally standing on books, and and don't worry, I already have something to remedy that. I'm really excited to revamp this area and just make it easier for me to use. Before I keep talking, let's get into the video. There's a lot of mess everywhere, and if I don't get this done today, I will end up crying. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be using these little furniture risers. You put the furniture on top of this and it levels it up. I believe this is like 1.5 inches. And then I can take the books out of this and finally be leveled to the same inch. Now, to decorate my desk, my boyfriend gave me this mouse pad and I'm really excited to put it on. I feel like it brings a nice pop of color to my white desk. He also got me this keyboard. It's honestly so heavy. I did not expect it to be. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love the sound. Let's go put it on its rightful place. This is the state of my desk. Guys, this is the new and improved desk. Thank you guys for coming along with me as I revamp this new workspace of mine. I am only missing the mouse, and then after that I have no excuse not to use this desk for its intended purposes. I have actually managed to keep it relatively clean and decluttered for the couple of days that I've had it this way. That cannot be said for the rest of my room, however, but hopefully I will be able to start editing on this setup more often. Thanks again for coming along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on all of my socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!